Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start right away. Power the Poco X3 Nfc off and remove the SIM tray because you need full access and no live power. Next, heat the back edge evenly to about 60 degrees C to soften adhesive. This prevents cracking and saves time. Once done, apply a suction cup and slip a thin plastic pick between glass and frame, then slide around while keeping steady pressure. Make sure you don't pry with metal. That risks shattering the glass and damaging the fingerprint flex. With the back off, remove the screws and lift any metal shields that cover connectors. Organize screws by location so reassembly is precise. Then disconnect the display and battery flex gently using a plastic spudger. This isolates power and prevents shorts. Once the battery is isolated, peel the adhesive pull tabs or slide a thin plastic card under the battery while pulling adhesive slowly. The idea is to separate the cell without bending or puncturing it. If adhesive resists, you now position the replacement battery in the exact orientation, press it into fresh adhesive strips, and reconnect the battery flex to the board. This restores power path. Once reconnected, reattach metal shields and screw them back in, then reconnect the display and power the phone briefly to confirm boot and battery recognition. If everything works, replace the back glass using new adhesive and press evenly. If the phone won't boot or shows soft brick symptoms, immediately power off and recheck every flex connector and the battery seating for firm contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.